Hi, I'm Cody, Team Leader of Engineering with Enginetech. I'm here to show you our Rockwell hardness tester and show you some of the benefits and why we use it. So today I'm going to show you how we test the hardness on the crown of a lifter. This is one of the very important things. You want to make sure that this is the right hardness, not too hard that it's going to tear up your lobe of the camshaft, but also not too soft that the camshaft lobe is going to tear this up. So one of the reasons that we have this nice Rockwell hardness tester is because lifters in general, they are not able to be tested with a handheld device like this that you may see in some of your shops. This is a good tool for being able to check out the hardness, the surface hardness of something and get an idea if there is a problem or not. But as you know, there is a reservoir of oil inside of lifters. Therefore, something like this that measures the vibration is not going to give you an accurate reading. So let's get into the hardness Rockwell tester and we'll show you how it works. So this Rockwell hardness tester is the right tool for this job. Rather than measuring the vibrations from the ping of the handheld device, what this is going to do is measure its resistance to indentation. So what we're going to do is, with the lifter in place, we're going to raise the pedestal up to where the needle makes contact and you can see the indicator starting to move. You have to make sure that it goes around 3 times and then zero it into place. And like a casino slot, we're going to pull the lever, let it do its thing for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then push this back. We'll then get a reading of what the hardness is on this lifter. As we all know, that flat tappet lifters are a problem industry-wide with going flat and wiping lobes. This is something that we're doing to make sure that you get the highest quality product and that what you're putting into your engine is the correct stuff. We're always looking for ways to improve our quality assurance processes here at Enginetech, and this is one of the ways that we do that. So stay tuned for the next video where we'll highlight another one of our tools.